The most painful realization I have now is how selfish I have been with you. When we were together, I never acknowledged how you felt or what you needed. I was just too self-obsessed. I never reciprocated the way a true lover should. I made the situation appear as if you were the one crazily in love with me. I confess that I knew exactly what I was doing, even though I acted like I didn't. You were so loving and giving, which everyone around us could see and feel how much you truly loved me. But all my negativity made you shut down your emotions towards me. I never thought that you would walk away from me. I was pretty confident that you would never leave my side, that you couldn't even spend a single day without me. But see how things have changed and shifted between the two of us. You are very much focused on your life, and I am the one completely focused on you so that no one can take you away from me. I see how you are putting so much effort into improving your life, but I know you are so fed up and tired because of the stagnancy in our connection. You don't see any growth. You feel like I am no longer interested in you, that I do not even care about you, but that's a complete lie. Don't believe things or see things based on the past events. See things with a new perspective. People do change, my love. I am not the same man you once knew. Neither the way I think nor the way I act is the same. I see things beyond illusion. I believe in the universe. I have faith that you and I are meant to be with each other, leaving behind my cowardice, stiffness, and ego. For our love to grow and heal, I know what kind of actions I need to take. Being a feminine, you played a lot of my masculine part since the very beginning, and I did exactly the opposite. So now just sit back, relax, and let me take charge. Let me play the role which I needed to do when you were with me. Your efforts and energy will never be wasted, especially when you were giving your love unconditionally, without any demand, bad intention, or selfishness. I promise whatever is lost till this time, whether it's your self-respect, self-esteem, pride, dignity, everything will be restored. God bless you all and help us make our divine family of 5,000 members.